Okay, hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a glam lantern. Yes, I had to. So let me show you what we'll be using. Okay, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Let me take the time out to welcome anybody who is new watching this video. I hope you enjoy the video. So I hope you stay and subscribe. So Walmart has these, let me see, 6x6 silver glitter canvases. I was so happy to see these. They also have them in the gold. So I grabbed two. Okay, and since I'm making lanterns all of the time, they're usually farmhouse, they're usually in black or regular looking lanterns, I thought I would change things up a bit and make a bling one, a glam one. Then these are the wooden dowels that the Dollar Tree carries. The longer one, the taller one out of the two, because they have a shorter one. So I took these outside and spray painted them in silver. Okay, then from Walmart, I've been using a lot this Beacon 527 glue. Okay, I'm really happy with it. Is we're gonna cut these. We're gonna cut this plastic. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love that. So normally, what we do when I'm doing a lantern is I usually put the dowels. You know, we glue one on the four corners. Yeah, and then we leave it sit. If we were using hot glue, it would be an instant stick, but I'm not doing that. I want this to be a little bit more permanent. So we're gonna set this up, and then we're gonna allow it time to dry, guys. So let me go ahead and place some glue on the four corners. So we want to put enough glue. The dowel on this side. Okay, everyone. This embellishment here is David Tutera. I got it at Dollar General, and we will be placing that on the votive, and we will also be placing gem border stickers with the pearls around the canvases on the top and the bottom of the lantern. Okay, so now here I'm using some boxwood. I got this at Walmart. And then I'll also be putting some lights in there from the Dollar Tree. And I'm really hoping that you like this display. So let's see. Okay, so at this point here, I'm going to go ahead and attach the pearl hanger on both sides of the lantern. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next one.